You want the other one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Let's see, we're going to put it, make it into a soldier.
Soldier?
Yeah, look at that big boots you got.
I won't be long.
Yeah, it's time for you to get some new size. But those will make you look like a soldier. This was one of the first spots we started gardening in. I didn't have a lot of soil. Now I have more soil where I can actually build this up a little higher. And all I do is I'm gonna move some of this out the way. See, like this one off to the side by itself. I actually just pick that up. Just like that. You got the gloves. You got the gloves. So you grab those. I'm gonna get, hold on. Let me get this look.
A plant?
She has that one. I'm gonna get me a bigger slice of this cake.
It's leaf.
And I'm gonna get this. So all we're gonna do is just do a little thinning. Some of these are rotting out. That was another thing by having those short rows, not high enough. It's actually rotting out the necks of the plants. This here is gonna give it a way better space to grow in. Yeah, let me give this. Drip line right on top of them. Just put it right in there.
You wanna eat it?
Just bring it right over here. Drop it down. Yeah, feel that up nice and tall. Step over or go around the left side.
Was not me.
Show them that purple little flower.
One right here, and some right here, and one right here.
We're actually waiting on eggplants. The flowers are here. Now this is an experiment, but usually when you see flowers, we have gotten some during the winter. They made a few. What I'm working on now is I gotta get the bees in. So, and these sides during the summer have to kind of be up, or at least the doors open at all times, because it'll get too hot and kind of kill everything. So we did get us some rabbit and deer netting, 100 foot, that I'm gonna take from the front all the way down the sides, and we're gonna install those with zip ties so we can keep our sides rolled up during the winter. Oh, she's ready to water. During the summer, and won't have to worry about all of this mold and mildew that we'll probably have to clean off these sides within the next year. So thank y'all for hanging out with me and the little kid, the little monster. And as always, we say grow, grow, grow. Peace.